How we all doing? So, new year, bringing all this crap forward into a new decade. But some say it's not a decade till next year. I don't know. It's a new decade. We can call it a new decade. Right. So, happy New Year to y'all. And what have I been doing? I haven't been doing much in the workshop for the last couple of weeks because I haven't been well at all. There's no point making a video because you wouldn't have been able to understand a word I was saying. So, I still have a little bit, but I'm much better than I was. Excuse me. So, still working away on this Bosch TV63, nearly there now. We had a couple of little problems with it, just tiddling around here for a couple of minutes here and there. The first one was the width started coming in, and I hadn't been out here for a week or more. Now I had the dehumidifier on that, but I thought maybe the overwind got damp, so I left it on the bench power supply for a few days, warming it out, drying it out. Tried it again, same thing, width coming in. And with the width set to maximum, it was in about a half an inch either side, so I knew something was wrong. So anyway, I traced it down to have a cap here in the width circuit of a cap after the cathode of the boost valve, and going to ground through a couple of resistors and a variable resistor. So there's two resistors that are tapped and then a variable 2k resistor. So the cap was actually, when I put my finger on it, it was roasting hot. It says 140 puff here in this book, but there's 175 fit. So I made up a cap. I'll show you now. I made up a cap out of 333 puff, and the width has been out and stable since, so it's working well. The other problem was the interlace. I couldn't get reliable interlace, and I traced that down to the diode here. So I replaced that. That was leaky, and there's solid interlace now. So that's pretty much it. Got a couple of things. At the start I was talking about a crack in the cabinet. There's a crack here, and I was just going to fill it up with a bit of super glue, but thought, nah. So I was talking to a mate of mine as a bus company, and he's a full-time painter working for him, body man, and he suggested that we put eyes upon in the back. So they did. Now you can't really see it. Unfortunately, I should have took a couple of snaps of it before I put the cabinet in. But you can just make out there a tiny bit of fiberglass and mixed in with filler or whatever it is they use, and even put a bit of brown paint in it to make it blend in, and it strengthens the cabinet there. It's very strong. And as for the crack itself, I said don't bother trying to fill it because you just see it. So I might get a bit of brown crayon or something put in. But the main thing is that the crack is stabilised, so it won't continue growing. That was the main thing there. I was afraid if it got a knocker that a chunk might go out of the cabinet, and that really wouldn't be good. So other than that, a few other little jobs to do, and I hope to get it done the next couple of weeks. I've ordered a 150 puff cap for this, so when that comes I'll do that. And I'm going to put a hardwired lead onto it instead of this plug at the back. So there'll be no chance of the chassis being live then. Neutral will be tied directly to the chassis, so that should be a good job. And that's pretty much it. The heater, the partially shorted heater appears to have cleared itself, which is great news. It's reliably dropping 6.3 volts across it now, so whatever was wrong with it, I don't know, but it appears to have solved itself. So that's pretty much it where I'm at the minute. Going forward, I hope to make a lot more videos this year, increase my output on YouTube. I want to thank everyone for joining me. 189 subscribers today. It's gone haywire. For me, I didn't think there'd be any sort of interest at all like that, but it's great. So if you're watching me, you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like what I'm doing, and we'll keep going. Hopefully we'll have I've lots and lots of stuff to make videos on this year. It's just getting the time, but hopefully I should have a bit more time this year. So that's it for now. I'll have a few more videos up soon, and hopefully I'll have this thing out of me here. I'll do a final wrap up video on that maybe, or maybe another one or two little updatey videos. Just waiting for the bits to come now to finish it off, and we can give it back to the good people in the museum. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Good luck for now.